Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to make a candy stick mobile stand. Okay, we can use a stick, candy sticks, or we can roll a paper for doing this. We will use a candy stick for doing this activity. First, we will make it into a particular shape for the first place. Okay, in a design where it will be in a V shape like this, and we will paste one of the lines here like this. So to get this one, what we will do is we will cut this one into a small size. Be careful when you are doing. If you are not able to do, take assistance from your parents or from your guide. Then I take a glue, sit here, take one more stick, we will stick above this one now here. Then above these three, we will stick a smaller stick. Now we will keep some weight on this and let it dry for a while, and then we will continue with the next step. After this has been done using a Fevicol stick, what I will do is I will take a small bit of candy stick for sticking behind like this angle here like this. We are making the back stand, so I will cut this one in a 30-degree angle here. This angle, this particular angle I am cutting. And I will paste it here. You can use a glue and leave it for a while, then you can stick another stick like this. From here we are sticking another stick for the support here. But right now what I am doing is I'll use a hot glue for it to have a stick here. And I'll paste this particular thing in this direction. Okay. After this, we will stick this particular part here. So I'll take hot glue again. and I'll paste this particular part here, the support of this one. See to that if you are doing in Fevicol, it will take a little more time, that's okay. The stand is ready now, and you can take another stick and perpendicularly to this part you can paste like this for the stand. We will do that part. Okay, this is done. So let it dry. If you are using Fevicol, be careful, don't move it, let it dry. You can keep it for the support, something else, and you can do like this. Here is the stand, and here is the mobile where you can keep the mobile on the stand and enjoy watching the videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon. Bye.